Example 2, if g of x is equal to the integral of f of t dt going from a to x, where a is equal to 1 and f of t is t squared, find a formula for g of x and then calculate g prime of x. Okay, so let's first take a look at g of x. So we know that g of x is going to equal the following. It's going to go from a to x f of t dt. Okay, so we know that a is going to equal 1. So what does that tell us? Well, that tells us that we know that we're going to go from 1 to x, and we know that f of t is equal to t squared. So that's going to be t squared dt. Okay? And so now what we want to do is we want to find the antiderivative of t squared, which we know is going to be t cubed over 3. And we're going to evaluate it from the lower limit of 1 to the upper limit of x. So therefore, we know that this is going to be x cubed over 3 minus 1 cubed over 3. So that ends up giving us x cubed over 3 minus 1/3. And therefore, that is what represents g of x. So we've done the first part. Now the second part, what they want us to do, and let me see if I can make here a little bit more room here. So the second part, we want to be able to find g prime of x, which means that we want to find the derivative of g of x, which is x cubed over 3 minus 1/3. Okay, so what is the derivative of x cubed over 3? Well, we know that that's going to give us x squared. And what is the derivative of minus 1/3? Well, that's going to be minus 0. So therefore, we're going to get x squared for g prime of x. So therefore, there is your result for g prime of x. And then we also know that g of x is going to equal x cubed over 3 minus 1/3.